Hello, it's Angelo Pucci, and welcome to our newest listing of 1331 Glenanna Road, number 48. A 9-unit townhouse featuring 3 bedrooms, open concept living room, dining room, new kitchen. But to tell you more about it, Kim's standing by. Kim, are you ready?
I am.
Let's take it away.
Enjoying a prime location just steps from the heart of downtown Pickering, welcome to 1331 Glenanna Road. Unit 48 is an end-unit townhome that features 3 bedrooms, beautifully updated main-level living spaces, and a private backyard retreat. Brand new laminate flooring flows throughout the main level, and pot lighting in the hallway as well as in the open concept living area complements the natural lighting. The generous size of this principal entertaining room allows its function to be quite versatile, easily accommodating a dining area, and its sliding door walkout opens to a fully fenced backyard that has a garden shed, perennial gardens, as well as a patio area, and which is partially shaded by one of the many mature trees in this complex. The updated eat-in kitchen features crisp white cabinetry, plenty of counter workspace with a double sink, a ceramic tiled backsplash, as well as stove, fridge, and dishwasher, and is complete with a built-into-the-wall pantry area. New Berber broadloom finishes the staircase to the upper level and is also found in the upper landing and in the 2nd and 3rd bedrooms. Both of these rooms have east-facing exposures and double closets, and this level also features a linen closet, a 4-piece washroom, as well as a spacious master bedroom with a large double closet, Berber broadloom, and windows with west-facing exposures. This home additionally features a lower level with a recreation area, a 3-piece washroom, and a laundry room, includes an outdoor parking spot, has ample visitor parking, and is steps to public transit. And it's just a short walk to the Pickering Town Centre Mall and other neighborhood plazas for shopping and entertainment, as well as for numerous medical and professional services. The GO station is also within walking distance, while recreational facilities, Pickering's waterfront, and access to Highway 401 are all just short drives away.